welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today we have a banger daily market news and analysis. So without any further ado, let's bring the action, y'all. All right, my computer is like glitching out right now. Hopefully, I don't have to restart. Hopefully, I don't have to restart, but we'll see. All right, let's pull up the charts here. Show this on the stream. And bada bing, bada boom. This is the one you guys like. Right, yeah. All right, let me pull this over. What is up? Seems you're having some problems with your live quality. Hmm. Can you guys see me on TikTok? Let me pull up my live stream. Make this a little bit bigger. All right. So let's go into Bitcoin. Says sure could. Okay. Cool. My computer is like glitching out right now. I might have to restart my computer, guys. Hopefully, I'm gonna give it a bit to do its thing. But let's go over here to Bitcoin. I'm just gonna roll with it right now. All right, so on Bitcoin, the ABC correction seems like it's in full effect. Everyone's like, "Oh, it needs to go to 16K." It doesn't need to go to 16K. That's just to me like the spot and where that to me is the spot in which it is the sort of likely landing spot. It doesn't need to go there though. Anywhere between, like, honestly, it could be finished right now at 22.5. Like that would even be okay. But 21, 22, all of those are going to be a okay in my book. Um, Let me pull, make sure we're good on TikTok. Are we good on TikTok? How are we looking on TikTok? Let me get rid of some of this stuff. Right, we'll pull that up. Dave says PRR. Thank you for the likes. All right, let's do PYR. Excuse me, PYR. My computer is just not having a good time right now. All right. So PYR, current price of $3.70. The retracement level is about right here, $7. I would take profit there. Beyond that, the next retracement level is going to be $25.81. And if the maximum retracement level would be $35.45, and the parabolic level for PYR would be $170. Let me hide this real quick. That way I can make sure that TikTok is like. Oh, I still have. All right. Oh, I still had my game open. That might be why it wasn't having a good time. Let me close some of this stuff down real quick, you guys. Thank you for your patience and understanding. I appreciate you guys. All right. So that should be okay now. Hold on. I'm gonna close TikTok. We're gonna restart TikTok. All right, you guys. Hold on one second. I gotta get my TikTok live stream going back up. OG Crypto says hi there. What is up? What is up? Um, I'm having some computer issues right now, so continue the live. Boom. There we go. All right, can you guys see me on TikTok? Am I good now? Are we crystal clear? Are we good on TikTok? Give me a thumbs up. Dude, what? No. All right, let's head over here to Bitcoin. Let's go back over here to Bitcoin. All right, get off here. This is BNB here. Are we good on TikTok? Bro, I cannot see you guys. A little bit bigger. All right. Says my memory is cooling down. We should be good. That was my fault, you guys. I had one of my games still open. Hopefully that solves the issues. All right, so let's get this thing going, you guys. Drop your coins in the chat. Let's get it popping. I think we're good to go now. Hopefully, and if it doesn't fix the problems, then I'll have to restart the live stream. I don't want to do that, but or restart my computer, which would restart the entire live stream. I don't want to do that, but we may have to. What's up, bro? Happy Sunday. What's that graph? What graph are you talking about? Happy Sunday, bro. Cheers. Cheers, y'all. Happy Sunday. Turn this off. I think we're good. Are you talking about this right here? What I'm looking at? I don't know what you're talking about. So right now I'm on Bitcoin, if that's what you're asking. We're still working on the ABC correction. I think that once the C correction is finished, who knows how long it's going to take. Like, it's much easier to predict structure rather than time. But I'm estimating that this will probably wrap itself up heading into the full moon, if I had to put a number on it. And then we're going to start working on our retracement anytime before, I think before May 5th. If whatever's happened by May 5th, like the move is done, whether it's down here to 33,000 or as high as, 52,000, wherever it's going to go, it's going to happen before May. And then we're going to be kind of sideways and down into the um, October eclipse. There's going to be some sort of crazy event, in my opinion, that's going to bring the markets down one more time for the spring of the next bull run, in my opinion. This will bring us into 2024, and Bitcoin most likely is going to go somewhere between 107,000 and as high as 215,000. I personally am 188,000 is what I'm thinking. George Sampson says, I'm thinking give Illuvium a look. All right, let's take a look at Illuvium. Let's give a look, give a little peeksies. Little peeksy do. Happy Sunday, y'all. Thank you guys for being patient with me and allowing me to work through my technical difficulties here because that was a pain in the butt. But I think we got it now. I think we're squared away, as the kids say. No kids say that. No children are saying that. So yeah, drop your guys' coins in the chat. Let's get this thing rocking and rolling. Thank you for your patience. Right now, Illuvium sitting at $76.31. Automatic rally for this thing. $145. If she just wants to retrace, you're looking at $888. Maximum retracement level would be $1,252. And if Illuvium wants to go absolutely, positively, unequivocally, exquivocally, parabolic, 62,000. Creator for me, create one for me says, give me a coin that I can put 10,000 and it will double real quick. Win Moon, bro. Win Moon. Listen, if you have $10,000, the best strategy that you can do, and I know you're not going to want to hear this, is to periodically enter into the market with the 10,000. And I think all of my top 5 coins are going to double. Bitcoin's probably going to double before May. But I would take like 500 at a time, 500 or 1,000 at a time. Turn your mic up. I would take 500 or 1,000 at a time and enter into the market like so. My top 5, top 10, all of those are going to double. Everything's going to double eventually. But for me, it's not a get rich quick thing. It's a get rich eventually. That's the game that I'm trying to play. I'm not trying to play the get rich quick. I'm playing the get rich eventually. Can you guys hear me now? Is Mike good? Mic check. Drop your coins in the chat. Let's get it going. Yeah, but XRP, XLM, XDC, Algo, QNT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, HBAR, all those coins are going to double. Gala is going to double. Everything's going to double. You just got to give it enough time. If you're willing to wait until like 2025, you're looking at 5 or 10 doubles, maybe more. What about Ikami? Freedom Coin. Is Bitcoin correction? Can it reach 20K? Yeah, it's possible. I think 21 is the most likely, but 22.5, like honestly, technically, for the Bitcoin correction, like technically it could be over. But I think it's gonna like kind of sideways and down into the full moon of March 7th. It's kind of going to be the end of the move, in my opinion. But right here is like 22.5. That's the likely high. And then it could go as low as 20. Anywhere in there is like really technically is fine. Um, in reality, it could go as high as like 16K and that would be fine. Or as low as 16K, that would be fine. But yeah, it's hard to predict specific, you know, on like a short term exact prices. It's more easy to predict structure. But yeah, anything like below 22K is a buy for me. I'm dollar cost averaging into the market every single week. That's what I recommend you guys always do. Oh, Cash, you lost your badge, man. What about e-commy? All right, let's look at that. Any Twitter, bro? I'm on Twitter. I don't really do. I'm at Guyesky on Twitter. I'm not like I have like 41 followers on there. I don't really post on Twitter, but I get a lot of news from there. I retweet a lot of stuff. I haven't really figured out the Twitter game, but you can follow me. All right, so automatic rally for ecom 0012. If she just wants to retrace, you're looking at 0045, max retrace 006, and parabolic level would be 2.8 cents. All right. He says, "Will you do Freedom Coin?" I missed your. I skipped you. All right, let me get my paper down. You guys, I've like used all this. Get my life together, y'all. All right, Freedom Coin. What else we got? Let me write these down so I don't go out of order anymore. Gala, Johnny Flowers. What's up? Welcome, bro. All right. Hey, what is the George? What is the ticker for Freedom? Is this it right here? Ooh. Sorry about that. Do you think LCX is heavily slept on? Yeah, LCX is a strong project for sure. All right, probably gravitating back down here to oh boy. Let's see how many zeros we got. 6017, gravitating down there. Now if she just wants to retrace, she already actually poked through a new all-time high here. If she just wants to retrace, you're looking at 6020. Maximum retracement level will be 6022. Parabolic level would be 6051. All right. Let's get it popping, y'all. Gala. Gala is my number one gaming token. Shit. All right, Gala is my number one gaming token. Got rejected off the automatic rally. Coming back, wouldn't be weird to come back to maybe like 3 cents would be the high end of that range. Now, if Gala just wants to retrace, which 90% of all cryptocurrencies are only going to retrace, we're looking at 42 cents. Maximum retracement level is 60 cents. And if she wants to go parabolic, you're looking at $2.97. Hey, you think Crow and VVS will do good in the future? I definitely think Crow is going to do good in the future. Crow is like a part of the club as far as I'm concerned. Like if you want to get like all woo woo, Kronos is the wheeler of time, like in Greek mythology. I don't know too much about VVS. I'll take a look at both of them though. Let's look at Crow. I'll give you do some TA, but like I can talk about some um, spicy stuff if you want. All right, so automatic rally for Crow. We got rejected off of the lower one. Probably coming back down here to 7.5 cents would be fine. In fact, actually building support up here. He says, "Sheesh." uh, yeah, rejected off of this right here, 7.7. So this is not a bad place here. Let's turn on. Getting consolidated up here. All right, yeah. So the next level is going to be 10 cents for a Crow. If she just wants to retrace, 51 cents. Maximum retracement level of 69 cents. And if Crow wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, $3.33. But yeah, I think Crow is like a player that's going to be here. VVS, look at this. E to the ninth power. I don't know what that means. Quant is the one. Direct partnerships with Oracle, their over ledger technology, less supply than Bitcoin, directly on the World Economic Forum. Quant is a player. Quant might be the player. All right, I don't know so much about VVS. This looks like a poo poo coin to me, man. Doesn't mean it can't moon though. I don't know anything about it. Automatic rally 64.422 e to the eighth power. Where did you learn all that woo woo stuff? Um, just man, it's honestly just like um just curiosity and just the that's what keeps me up at night is like just watching and learning about like the connections between and you'll find it too. You'll find it in crypto, you'll find it in stocks. A lot of these powers that be on this realm, the world leaders, like that's what they believe, and so therefore they put it into this kind of stuff. And like the more you look, the more you'll find it. It found basically, yeah, it found me. All right, automatic rally 2,252 to the e to the eighth power. Max retracement would be 3,000 e to the eighth, and parabolic level 15 e to the eighth. Yeah, like I'm a big decoder, like numerology, gematria, astrology, science, the periodic table, religion. I think it's all connected. People think that they're different, but in reality, they're very much aligned. They're very connected. Jubilee, that's right. We're in the Jubilee. And the last Jubilee that we had, Richard Nixon took the US dollar off the gold standard. So there you go. Yeah, it found me, man, I guess. It's what keeps me up at night. Just trying to learn about like even interesting like So like Kronos is basically Kronos is Saturn. Saturn is Satan. All the planets have a god. It's it's crazy because like so you have Moon Day, and then I think Wednesday is Mercury, Thor's day, Friday is like Venus, Saturn day, Sunday, like they're all connected to everything is connected to this stuff if you look for it. All right, automatic rally on quant. He said back to the price prediction. Get back on track there, buddy. So we already hit the 0.5 fib at $230. Kind of consolidating down here. This is a support level. I just did Kronos. It was $3.33, but I got you for Veer. This is a support level at the 236 where we're at right now. Good place to accumulate, in my opinion. Now, the max retracement level, $305. And if she wants to go parabolic in 2025, $1,400. Big picture, Quant could easily go over 10,000, but just this is just like the next sort of wave, if you will. Whoops. All right. VH. Yo, yo, yo. What's up, bro? How you doing today? Every day is a good day. Some days are better. If you woke up today and you're playing this game and you're in the Matrix, it's a good day. He says, I'm 2 bull runs, 10K quant. In 2 bull runs. Is that what you're asking? Yeah, it would probably take 2 to get there, maybe 3. Maybe like 20, 30. Quant could be 10K, but this next bull run, 1400 is where I think it's going to go. Crow's DeFi wallet, just going to leave them there until something happens. That's the idea, man. Dollar cost average. Just buy a little bit every single week. Do you think Gala could hit $10? It's possible. The likely spot is $3 though. For me, like there's spots where it's like, oh yeah, this can happen, but the way that I analyze it is what is the most likely, because you can make a lot more money being consistent on the most likelies rather than the what ifs. You know what I mean? Says, will you hold all the way through or buy back later? I'll be taking profit. Now, 20% of my long term profit. Hey, what is the ticker for Veer? Because I'm not seeing it. Better World. Hey, bro, can you do TA on Velo? I got you. It's just a humble servant. I got you, bro. Um, so like XRP, my top 5, top 10, I'm gonna hold 20% forever. But beyond that, like you better believe I'll be taking profit and I'll be buying back when it crashes again. Because what goes up must come down. What comes down must come up. As above, so below. You'll see a lot of like these crazy violent moves. The funny part is once we get back into like stuff like this, you'll see a crazy violent move equally to the upside. And well, wouldn't you have it? Like that's the automatic rally. So like when you see crazy quick violent moves to the downside, you'll see them crazy violent quick moves to the upside. He said it's about to hit 15 cents. Yeah, that's the automatic rally, 14.8 cents. Where do you think Bitcoin's going, mate? I got you. Yearn Finance is still pumping. I'll do Bitcoin after this one. So yeah, like this is why like yeah, like back to the woo woo stuff. Like that's why, because like you'll find stuff like this, and I guarantee you, like at some point, once we get above this resistance, you're gonna see a move just like this, but the opposite one. And coincidentally, wouldn't you have it, it'll bring you right into the automatic rally. All right, now if she just wants to retrace 94 cents, maximum retracement level of $1.34. I did economy. I don't remember what the price was. Um, I did do it though. Is this it? 2.8 cents. All right. And if Velo, the maximum retracement is 133. And if she wants to go parabolic, $6.93. All right. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin is the market. If you can understand Bitcoin, you can understand pretty much everything else. Thank you for the roses, Outcasts. I appreciate you. I think you lost your badge, bro. I don't know if you didn't have it on. All right, so yeah, like I said, Bitcoin, we're about to retrace sometime before May. I said April for jokingly serious, but in reality, sometime before May, sell in May and walk away. Like that's going to be the case. We're going to have a violent crash in October around that eclipse sometime. And then we're going to go off and away into the next bull run. And for Bitcoin, for Dan, my man Dan, you need a car, you need a van called Dan the Car Man. Bitcoin's going to go somewhere between 107,000 and 214,000. I personally think probably 188,000 is probably the likely 161. Anything above 107, like it's time to start dollar cost averaging out of the market. Should I wait to buy more Yearn? Let's take a look. The next couple of days, it's probably going to sideways and down until we get into the full moon. Yeah. Hopefully you were dollar cost averaging down here. This is the automatic rally, like 12-1 is the automatic rally. I would just keep dollar cost averaging, maybe cool it, let it just hang out for a bit. I would de-risk here though. Not financial advice. Um, Huge trading range at the 382 here. 34,000. Like massive actually. That'd be another good place to de-risk. If she just wants to retrace 42,000, maximum retracement 58,000, and parabolic level 285,000. Humble Servant says that $6.93 for Velo. Is that over a 1 to 2 year hold? If that were to happen. So listen, I say the parabolic levels. Okay. But in reality, 90% of all cryptocurrencies are not going to reach parabolic levels. Most of them are going to reach the 702 or the 0.5. So if we go to Velo, like there's a 90% chance that this thing gets to 94 cents. That would be a good place to de-risk a significant portion. Beyond that, 133 would be the next likely landing spot. And for me, if I were holding Velo, I would be 60 to 70% out of the market here. And if she did want to go parabolic, it would be in 2025 at the peak of the market. I would hold like no more than like 30% to there. Probably like 20 or 30%. But that's me. That's how I play it because I go off of most likely landing spots rather than what if landing spots. I don't know if that makes sense or not. Anytime you double, take 10%. That's it. That's a good rule. If you invest 1,000 and now it's 2,000, go ahead and take $200 off the table. Yeah, that's a good place to get out. You could hold 20% for the for the parabolic level. Always hold a moon bag. Anytime you can get your initial out, do that. If you get a 5x, take one of your X's out and just like hold a moon bag. Now you're playing with house money. You want to have as much profit with the least amount of risk as possible. And that's how you can do that. Anytime you double, take a little 5, 10, 20% off the table. All right. Ave ILV Veet. Got you. Man, that live stream yesterday was pretty it was popping, bro. He says Velo is more my play money. Majority of my holdings are XEC, XLM, XRP, HBAR, QNT, and Algo. That's a solid list. Same strategy applies. Like XRP is my biggest bag. Guess what? It didn't make a new all-time high. Last cycle, it did not make a new all-time high. To me, it has the most fundamentals, the biggest amounts of partnerships. It didn't make a new all-time high. So that's why I always advocate for taking. I already did Illuvium, bro. I'll very quickly go over it again. Automatic rally 145. Retracement 888. Max retrace 1240. Parabolic is 62,000. Wait. Excuse me. 6,200. Not 62,000. I'm not touching any X's ever. I'm extra, extra bullish on my X holdings. Extra. Read all about it. The World Economic Forum says you'll own nothing and be happy. Automatic rally for Ave, for my man's Anton. $116. If she just wants to retrace, 90% will. $352. Maximum retracement level, $478. Parabolic level, $2,270. Create one for me says, can you do Graph, XLM, and Audius? All right, let me write some of these down. Let's go in order. If you send me like 4 or 5, I'm going to do one at a time and come back. How do you feel about the lawsuit, bro? Honestly, I think it's a scam just to hold XRP back until the institutions are ready. That's exactly what it is. So if you've been following the case, which I have, literally, like I'm not, this isn't hyperbole. Literally, no joke, literally. Hold on, let me write some of these down. We'll do graph, and then we'll do ILV, and then we'll do XLM, And then we'll do VET. And then we'll do Audius. What's up, Jan? Thank you for the likes. All right, so literally, no hyperbole. The SEC has not won a singular point. So every single point that they argue, thoughts on Richard Hart, I got you. Every single point that they argue, it has went in Ripple's favor. Every single one of them has went in Ripple's favor. And so it would be like, I'm playing LeBron James in basketball. He is scoring all the points. I have scored 0 points. The game is technically not over, but I haven't scored any points. So it's going to be impossible for me to win. And so that's what it is. In reality, like, when XRP is the winner, like, that's not good for the US dollar. So they're delaying this thing as much as they can. But yeah, it's a sham. It's a scam so they can get their piece of the pie so that they don't get cut out. That's what's going on. Yun said, "What up, my boy?" Calling a 10K bottom. You and everyone else's wife's boyfriend is calling a 10K bottom. The bottom was in November, my friend. I'm be honest, man. GG is not by any means dumb. I believe he knows. Hello. Who is GG? I don't know who you're referring to as GG. Max says hello. What is up, Max? All right. My thoughts on Richard Hart. Richard Hart is a smart man. He says a lot of very intelligent things on the cryptocurrency market. He says a lot of very intelligent things when he's talking about crypto. The only problem is when he starts talking about all this other stuff is like, it's nonsense. It's Nico says, "Hey, what up?" Caesar says, "Hi, how's it going, my boy?" So yeah, Gary Gensler. Yeah, you're right. He's an actor. He's playing his part. You're right. It's just Richard Hart is annoying when he starts talking about, like, oh, I have the world's biggest PP and all this other nonsense. Like, all that stuff's annoying. But when he says crypto, when he starts talking about crypto, he says a lot of smart stuff. He's duality at its finest, the most hated and the most loved, all at the same time. But when he was a millionaire beforehand. Bear market bully, my boy Ski. It's your boy Ski. What do you think about altcoin? Which one? There's a lot, bro. There's 22,000 different coins. 97% of them are going to go to zero. Which ones do you want my thoughts on? Also, thoughts on QNT. What I can tell, Overledger is really awesome. QNT is in my top 3. It is my top 3. Filecoin. Filecoin is next. All right, let's get some of these. I'm over here. We're going to do a lightning round. Lightning round. Here we go. I need to. Monero's my favorite. Monero's solid. XOT, I got you, bro. We'll look at XOT. Monero is probably the best privacy coin. I think so. I mine Monero, so I could be biased on Monero, but I think it's good. There are coins that I have, and there's coins that I have that I'm biased on because I mine them, so I want them to do well. Monero would be one of those coins. All right, Filecoin. Have we done XLMnet? We haven't, but it's in. It's not on TradingView. Well, I'll see if it is, but if it's not, then I can't give you a price prediction on it. I don't have any thoughts on the coin as far as like its tokenomics or anything like that. I was thinking of mining Ergo. Yeah, Ergo I think is a solid play as far as mining. I think Ergo and Flux are going to be the GPU winners. All right, automatic rally for Filecoin 1780. Retracement level is $100. Max retracement 140. Parabolic level $711. I heard mining is a bit of a headache though. Plenty of people say it's better to just buy the coin instead of mining it. Sure, that can be true. However, the more people that mine, the less of a piece of a pie that they get. So they could be telling you that because it incentivizes them that you don't mine it. Uh, I think it's great. It forced me to learn a lot of stuff that is invaluable. You could just do liquidity mining though. Liquidity mining is less of a headache with similar rewards. I have full playlist on Saucer Swap on how to set that up on YouTube. How do you buy Monero? Um, let's see. Monero is on Binance, KuCoin, okay, X, Gate.io. There you go. I think it's on Coinbase too. Heard some news about Filecoin and HBAR working together. Dude, that would be insane. That would be insane. That makes sense, actually. I hope it's true. All right, XLM. Let me get my regular XLM chart that I always work off of. That would be insanity. I hope that that is true. Actually, I was so frustrated with Dropbox. I literally tried to use Filecoin the other day. All right, XLM automatic rally 12 cents, 12.8 cents. Will you look at damn it. I hate it when I do that. Naka, I got you, bro. Satoshi Nakamoto. So yeah, I was literally so frustrated with Dropbox that I was trying to use Filecoin. I was to no success, but I think that's a cool thing because like screw Dropbox. I want to build my own DIY project where I power a mining rig with solar panels. That's a good place to start if you want to do that. By the way, would be XDC. I got you, bro. A good place to start would be XDC. No, I'm just kidding. A good place to start, get you a cheap ASIC because ASICs are much, they can handle turning off and on much better than GPUs can, and they're very easy to do. You just literally plug them in. All you have to do is set up your pool. Once your pool is set up, all you do is plug it in and it starts mining. You don't have to do nothing else. But get a cheap ASIC. They have constant load and they're okay turning on and off. The most expensive part about a solar operation is going to be your battery reserves. So you could literally just set up some sort of system where it would allow you to mine when the sun is out, and when it's not out, you're not mining. And an ASIC would be able to handle the on and off of that much better than GPUs. So if you wanted to do that, that's how I would recommend doing it. You can get a cheap ASIC for like $300. So, yeah. All right, what are we at? XLM automatic retracement level 39 cents, maximum retracement level 53 cents. If XLM for the bear market bully wants to go parabolic, $2.40. The reverse of 420. I already did that one. All right. Aren't coins like Monero and Ergo ASIC resistant? Yes, that is true. Monero can't even be mined by GPUs. It's only CPU mineable. You can only mine Monero on a CPU. Monero is the most profitable right now, actually. Let's VET. All right, VET automatic rally 3.9 cents. VET's in my top 10, y'all. Retracement 14 cents. Max retracement 20 cents. Parabolic level 97 cents. Great one for me says, and Microsoft. Is Filecoin partnering with Microsoft? Is that what you saw? That would be. All right, XOT. We'll take a look at XOT from a man. Yeah, it's not on Trading View. Nakamoto. All right, automatic rally 69 cents. Nice. She just wants to retrace $3.40. Maximum retracement $4.88. And if she wants to go parabolic, $24. XDC to $10. The OG. Yun and XDC to $10 are the OG followers. Yun was the OG TikTok follower, and XDC to $10, aka ALBT Mexican, was the OG YouTube follower. All right, retracement level for XDC. Naka wants to make new all-time highs. Maybe. Retracement level is not retracement. Automatic rally 3.7 cents. If she just wants to retrace 10.5 cents. Maximum retracement level 14 cents. Parabolic level for XDC 64 cents. hopefully you can change your name back to XTC to $10 because I hold XTC. I'll gladly be wrong and rich. You know what I'm saying? I will gladly be wrong and very wealthy. That's why you hold a 20% bag forever. In case she does want to go on a moon mission, we're going to Mars, orbiting around Earth. He says, I would go on TikTok, but that app hurts my brain. Hey, no, I appreciate you here. I figured out how to stream on both of them, so it's all good. In fact, I need the watch time on YouTube. So when I get my watch hours up, your boy is going to be fully monetized, and then I can stream way more. Because I'm not even monetized on YouTube yet. That's the crazy part. Did I miss any? Did I miss any of your guys' coins? I don't think I did. He said that app hurts my brain. Yeah, it's you have to be intentional with what you're watching because if you start watching some nonsense, you're gonna get some nonsense. What do you think of the Chinese narrative everyone's going on about? Like what narrative specifically? I'll just say this quickly. Like another word for narrative is propaganda. And I can assure you, throughout history over the last 150 years since media has been a thing and propaganda has been a thing. Propaganda is almost always wrong. Almost always exclusively propaganda is wrong. Roblox, is that what that is? RBLX? I don't know. We'll see. I got you. RB. Is this like a stock? Sure, we'll do this one. Quant. I already did quant. 1400. That is the parabolic level. Thoughts on AGIX? I think it's good. All right, so Roblox here is heading into the 236 level. Broke out of this range. That's not really good. You'd like to see a hold at $34. You would like to see a hold at 34.50. And if that holds, likely going to gravitate to the 236, which is 49.50. If Roblox just wants to retrace 79, this is like macro, like years to play out, by the way. $79.59. The maximum retracement level would be 103. And the parabolic for Roblox would be 322. That would take years to play out. All right. He says, Yun says MNW. Is that Morpheus? I think it is. I got you. VRA, I got you. No problemo. If I remember right, like with Morpheus, I think the numbers on this thing are like really key numbers. Okay, gravitating back down to the 236 here. You'd like to see 158 hold for Morpheus. You already hit the 382. Got rejected off that, $2.40. Still like in an uptrend. Higher highs, lower highs. All right. If she just wants to retrace, $3.10. Maximum retracement level, $4.30. Parabolic level, $21. That's probably where it's going to hit. 21 is Saturn. Is this thing a Saturn coin? Let me find out this is a Saturn coin, Yun. VRA. And then I got to get off here. Ooh. Rejected sternly. I know for a fact I was saying to take profit up here. Hopefully you listen to your boy Ski. I know for a fact I said, for the love of God, take profit. I know for a fact I said that. So what are we, it's been a while since I've done VRA, but not really that while. A week? A week ago. I know for a fact at the 1618 I said to take profit here. This is the parabolic level that gets rejected. Thoughts on H bar unlocking 3.5 billion more tokens as total supply available? I think what is their total supply? 50 billion. So what? They're going to be 53.5 billion, or there's 47 billion right now. So we're probably going to come back down to the 702 here. A big cluster of trading. Right in here at 0.005 cents. Like this is a falling knife. At this point, like what comes up must come down. Nothing just goes in a straight line. But I know a week ago for a fact I said to take profit here. So this would be a good place to start reaccumulating. Honestly, anywhere like where we're at right now is fine. You could reaccumulate down to 0.5. If that doesn't hold, or I'm sorry, 0.5 of 1 cent or half of a penny, if that doesn't hold, the next level would be 4.3 cents. And you would definitely want that thing to hold. If not, we're gonna go even further. Probably double bottom. If this thing wants to go parabolic, 2.1 cents. All right, you guys. That is it for this time. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I don't know. I don't know about that. I appreciate you guys. I'll be on here tomorrow, probably market close. Thank you for the subscription. I appreciate that. Enjoy your Sundays. Make sure you tell somebody you love them. Be kind. I'll be on here probably around the market close tomorrow. And we'll do some live streamings on the markets tomorrow. But I appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out of here.